My name is Nitish Kumar sir. So today we are going to conduct the experiments on impact testing. How to measure the impact strength of that material, that is the toughness of that material. So finally we have to how to calculate the impact strength, how to calculate the toughness of that material. So there is a particular one machine is here, that is the impact testing machine. Okay, so there is a two rod, one is a brass, second one is a aluminum. So we have to conduct the experiments on that two material, brass as well as aluminum. So normally याच्यामध्ये आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे की आपल्याला याची इम्पॅक्ट स्ट्रेंथ किती आहे या मटेरियलची. इम्पॅक्ट मीन्स व्हॉट, सपोज सडनली यू कॅन अप्लाय द एनी लोड and measure the value, measure the measurement, that called as impact. How can measure the impact testing, impact measurements? So there is a machine, so impact testing machine is here. So we have to conduct the experiments on impact testing machine. There are two methods to find out the impact strength. First one is IZOD and second one is the charping. Both testings we have to conducting on that particular machine, that is impact testing machine. दोन्ही मेथड आपण याच एकाच मशीन वरती करायचे, IZOD as well as charping. Okay, so today we are conducting only one experiment, that is IZOD impact testing machine. Okay, so right now look at here. This is a simple one, that is a charping and IZOD testing machine. This machine is a charping and IZOD testing machine. So what is the functions of that machine? So test the measure the total amount of energy that material is to be absorbed. How much energy will be absorbed in material? That's called as impact. Okay, so I will explain you. There is a one hammer. Okay, there is a scale reading, charping. There is a scale is given to in joule. One division is equal to 2 joule. Okay, there is a pointer is here. Okay, there is a one lever. आता या हॅमर ॲज वेल ॲज दिस इज अ स्केल, दिस इज लिव्हर, आणि आपल्याला जो जॉब आहे आपला तो आपल्याला इथे माउंट करायचा. याच्यामध्ये दोन मटेरियल आपण घेतलेले, पहिला आहे तुमचं ब्रास आहे, सेकंड आहे ॲल्युमिनियम. आपण आज एका मटेरियलवरती कोणतेही घेऊ शकतो. आपण आज ब्रासवरती घेऊ की इम्पॅक्ट जो आहे एखादा हा, दिस इज अ पेंडुलम टाईम मशीन, हा लिव्हर आहे, हॅमर आहे. नॉर्मली जो आम्ही जॉब माउंट करणार आहे इथे, मी फर्स्ट माउंटिंग करून घेतो जॉब. ओके, बिफोर माउंटिंग द जॉब ऑलरेडी देर इज अ वन नॉच ऑन दॅट जॉब. ओके, जेव्हा याच्यावरती इम्पॅक्ट होईल, हॅमरिंग होईल, सो ऑब्विसली तुमचा जॉब इथून ब्रेक होईल किंवा बेंड होईल, वॉट एव्हर आपण बघू ते. सो नॉर्मली याच्यावरती जो इम्पॅक्ट होईल त्यावेळी तुमची तिथं स्केल रिडिंग इंडिकेट करेल की हाऊ मच एनर्जी विल बी ॲब्सॉर्ब दॅट मटेरियल. ओके, सो नॉर्मली फर्स्ट वे टू माउंटिंग दी जॉब हिअर. Okay, so I have mounted the job. Your scale is here. Put the scale as 164 joule. तुमचे जे रेडिंग्स आहेत ते 164 जूलवरतीच ठेवा. मी तुम्हाला दाखवताना इंडिकेट केलं आहे जूलमध्ये. सिम्पल सांगतो, इम्पॅक्ट टेस्टिंग म्हणजे काय की वी हॅव टू हाऊ मच एनर्जी विल बी ॲब्सॉर्ब दॅट मटेरियल इज कॉल्ड ॲज इम्पॅक्ट स्ट्रेंथ. सो 164 जूल इज हिअर. ओके, सो ऑलरेडी I set the 164 joule. There is a one lever is here. This is your hammer. So we have to conduct the two experiments, IZOD as well as charping. IZOD means what? We have to mounting the job in vertical. and charping means you have to mount the job in horizontal. Okay, that is a simple impact testing method how to calculate the toughness of that material. So normally this is scale, this is hammer, and we have to mount the job already here. Okay, so you have to conduct the experiment right now. This is your lever. This is your lever. I can press this lever, automatically your hammer will be released and it will be strike directly on your job, and your job will be break down, otherwise bend. Okay, so we have to check the experiments. I can release this lever. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so check this reading. Just 70 joule. You have to exactly mount on 164 joule. How much energy? You have to starting energy. You have to set that pointer on 164 joule. Right now this comes to 70 joule. Means that brass material it nearly absorbs the energy that is 70 joule. So I can remove this job. Okay, check here. This job, after the impact testing, the job is breakdown. So that will be simple experiments. We can testing the how the impact on that material. That is suddenly acting the load. We can calculate the what is the energy absorbed by the material on that ISOT testing mass. Okay, we have to conduct the two experiments in ISOT as well as charping. Right now we have to conduct the ISOT impact testing. Suppose you want to conduct the charping impact testing machines, we have to change the setting. We have to job horizontally, mounting the job horizontally, and again we can strike the hammer directly and check the what is the impact on that material. So okay, this is a totally simple two experiments, charping and ISOT. So right now we have to conduct only one experiment, impact testing machine. Before measure the energy, that is right now starting energy is 164 joule. After the impact testing, it getting 70 joule. Means you have to minus that 164 minus 70, we have to getting the final readings. What is the exact energy absorbed by the material? Okay. So thank you very much. Thank you.